Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Level 10, Chapter 3 cleared and enough currency. First, gather coins and fragments, prioritize daily missions that drop Blazer pieces. Open the store and select events that award blueprints, buy fragment bundles if affordable. Once done, check battle rewards and arena crates immediately because timing matters for fragment caps. Make sure to spend energy on campaign nodes with higher fragment rates, so you accelerate unlocking progress. Now you assemble and upgrade. Go to Garage, open Craft, and fuse Blazer fragments to create the chassis. You should then allocate upgrades to engine, turret, and armor in that order to balance mobility and damage. While upgrading, queue 3 times XP boosters and play PvP or high-reward campaign nodes to convert upgrades into usable stats. Also, check daily missions that reward upgrade parts. This reduces coin cost. Make sure to manage upgrade timers so they don't stall your progress. Finish by crafting the final blueprint and equipping Blazer into your active loadout. You will see new weapons available. You should test it in training to learn recoil and special weapon timing, and then play ranked matches to earn mastery rewards. If a required fragment is missing, rerun event nodes, open arena crates, or consider a fragment pack purchase. If crafting fails, clear cache and restart the game. This often resolves sync errors and shows updated inventory immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.